What's going on, fans? This is me, Tremble 18 Productions here, back again with another unboxing review and test run video. And today, I'm going to be unboxing another Plarail engine, which is another one I've been wanting to get to replace a Trumpster item. Plarail Rebecca. That's right. The Plarail Rebecca. Cool. Yeah. The reason I got this Plarail Rebecca is because I want a Rebecca for my... I want to get Rebecca for my new... my collection. Because I like the Plarail version of Rebecca. And I've been wanting to replace Rebecca for a long time. So yeah. I haven't replaced her. Oh, I'm not going. She's. I haven't replaced Rebecca. Rebecca's not the only one I replaced with other Plarail engines. That's right. I replaced Nia, Gordon, James, and other Plarail engines with new ones. Other engines that shot me the new one. And now, yes, true, I did get the Plarail Nia, so I'm happy to get the Plarail Rebecca to replace the Trumpster Rebecca. So, good. I'm good with that. So happy I got the Plarail Rebecca. And her, because her tender is long, and she's also long, and all Plarail engines are long. So yeah. She comes with a turquoise tanker, which she has now. And that's right. Well, without further ado, let's get her opened, shall we? Fast mode. Okay. Oh, cool, look at her. Hi. Tinker. And tender. And now finally, here's... And here she is, out of the box. Plarail Rebecca. Yoo-hoo! Hiya! Yeah, I'm just repeating Rebecca's voice. Cool, isn't he? Awesome. So yeah. Plarail Rebecca. So happy I got this item. Let's take a look at Rebecca. Whoa, such a good face. Whoa, so freewheel. And her name, sure, she's painted in black. Yeah, I like it. Black is good for her roof and for her sides. Now let's look at her tender. Wow, this tender is so perfect. Looks accurate to the show. Wish they could have given him a Neville tender, because this tender looks a bit slobbery. But yeah, I mean, this tender looks nice. I wish they could have made a Neville tender for her. But yeah, I like this tender. They want to make it more accurate, but I still like this tender. It looks a bit accurate more often. And now let's look at the tanker. Whoa, it's a turquoise tanker. Wow, cool. So nice. Now I have more tankers. Tar tankers. Now I have more tankers. I have this tanker to add to my collection, of course. Well, cool, isn't it? Now, let's give Rebecca a battery. Shall we? I have a fresh battery. Let's see if it works. Whoa, it was slippery, but yeah, sure the floor's with it, but yeah, I'm okay. Wow, Rebecca's fast. Sorry. Anyway, yes, Rebecca's is fast. Cool, isn't she? Cool, isn't she? Awesome. Cool. Yep, Rebecca works like a charm. Cool. Okay guys, so I got Rebecca on the layout and I got her coupled up to some cars behind her tanker. So yeah, I'm gonna give her 2 runs. I'm gonna give her a run. The first run pulling cars and the second run pulling the express coaches. These things. These express coaches. So yeah, I'm gonna give her a run pulling the trucks and then pulling the express coaches. So yeah. So without further ado, let's give Rebecca a run, her first run pulling the trucks. Shall we? Okay, that was her run pulling the cars. That's good. Now, let's give her a run. A second run, pulling the express coaches. Okay, now let's give Rebecca another run, pulling the express coaches this time. Let's see how well she'll go. Let's see what she can do. Well guys, that was my unboxing review and test run video on the Plarail Rebecca. So yeah, so happy I finally owned this Plarail Rebecca, and I'm happy I got her to replace my Trouster Rebecca after so long. And I'm happy she came with this turquoise tanker too. Well, that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and this Plarail will be appearing on all my series. He'll appear in my videos, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next unboxing video. Bye for now. Peace out.